Good morning everyone. I am Jasmine Preet Kaur, SS Mistress from Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Beed Mansia, Jajja Thindsa, Block, Graya 1, District Jalandhar. I welcome you all in the Teacher Fest. Today, I'll show you some basic but important points to follow while reading a map. Firstly, we have some major directions. There are 4 major directions: north, south, east and west. North is at the top of our head and south falls at the feet. East is on our right hand and west falls at the left hand. On map, north is always marked at the top of the sheet on the right side of the paper. When maps are drawn on sheets, first we have to mark north side. Next, the most important thing is to read a map is latitudes and longitudes. First thing is latitudes. There are total 180 latitudes, 90 on the northern hemisphere and 90 on the southern hemisphere. And the line which divides the whole world into 2 equal parts is equator, which falls at 0 degree. After that, there is a 23 degree and half on south and on north. That line we used to call Tropic of Cancer. And after that, at 66 and a half degree on southern side and on 66 degree half on the northern side is Tropic of Capricorn. The most important and interesting thing about the Tropic of Cancer is that it passes through the India. That is the most interesting thing about this. And there are 3 major zones in latitudes, that is torrid zone, temperate zone and polar zones. As we move towards the polar regions from the equator, it becomes colder and colder. That is why in Canada, England and Russia, the regions are colder and India falls in a heating area. The torrid zone has a mild kind of temperature and the temperate zone has colder regions. The polar regions are the frigid zones. After that, next is longitudes. There are 360 longitudes, 180 on the eastern side and 180 on the western side. And the line which divides the whole world in 2 equal parts is prime meridian line, which falls at Greenwich City of London. Our time divides according to longitudes. As we move towards the east, time increases and we move towards the west, the time decreases. That is why while we are in India enjoying our Sunday and the Canada falls in Saturday. At last, I'll show you how to find a place with the help of latitudes and longitudes. Like in India, the latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minute north and 36 degree 7 minute north. We have to find out through this. And the longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Through this, we come to know that India falls between these latitudes and longitudes. From this, we come to know that India falls in the northern hemisphere. Thank you, and I hope it will be helpful for you guys, and have a wonderful day.